We have numerous databases at the NECB eLibrary with full-text newspapers, magazines, trade publications, and academic journals. We have over 20,000 full-text publications, so there is a lot to choose from. In this tutorial, we will briefly cover three databases for doing your research: Academic OneFile, EBSCO Business Source, and ProQuest Central. At the eLibrary homepage, you'll find links to all three of these databases in the center of the page: Academic OneFile, EBSCO Business Source, and ProQuest Central. Let's start with Academic OneFile. It's a multidisciplinary database covering a wide range of subjects. This is a database you could use when taking a history, literature, or business class. There are two different ways to do research. First would be a subject search. Let's say you're taking a U.S. history class. We'll type in Vietnam War. I'd recommend checking the full text box and then click search. You have over 2,500 results, which you could view all by clicking the top link, or you can further refine your search by clicking on subdivisions. Here you'll find subcategories within the Vietnam War. Choose one to refine your research and view the results. A second way of searching this database is to use the advanced search. In the drop-down box, you have many options for how to search. In this example, we'll do a company search, so I choose company name from the drop-down and type in FedEx. The full text box is checked. I click search and I have 87 results, which I could further narrow down by selecting one of the filters on the right side of the page. The second database is EBSCO Business Source, which is focused only on business content. Let's say you're researching credit cards and fraud. Type in credit card, and in the drop-down menu, you could choose to search only in the title or other fields for these keywords, but we'll leave the default search setting in place. In the second box, type in fraud. We'll also want to click the box to limit to full text, and then click search. We have many results, over 2,300, so we'll want to do some further limiting. Perhaps we only want current content. We can simply slide this bar over to narrow the publication dates to after 2000. We still have over 2,000 results, so let's look at some other limiters, such as source type. Perhaps we only want academic journals. We can check this box, and now we have 70 results. So as you view the results, you can click on any of these folder icons to add these to your folder. When you have what you want, simply go back up to the top and click on the folder icon. All of those articles have been saved, and you can email them to yourself or export them or other options. Additionally, you may want to create an account and by signing into EBSCO. This way you can save your research for a later date. ProQuest Central is a lot like Academic OneFile. It's a multidisciplinary database and covers many subject areas. Here we'll click on the advanced search, and we want to do a search on bank tellers, and from the drop-down menu we want to choose anywhere except full text. In the second box, we'll type in compensation and again choose anywhere except full text. The full text limiter is set by default, so we'll click search. We have 250 results, which is pretty good, but we can further narrow it down by limiting to a source type like scholarly journals or a date range. Let's click on scholarly journals, and now we have 12 results. This tutorial quickly covered the top three databases in the NECB eLibrary. If you have questions or need additional help, please reach out to the NECB librarians at this URL.